Welcome to Platypus Scotsman. Glad you can make it. This is the start of a project, and if you want a project, or if you want an art room, what you can do is just have your wife see the video of all the crap you have downstairs. That might get a project for you. That helped with this one a little bit, but now we're gonna get organized and do this. And went to IKEA and bought a bunch of stuff. Bought some pegboard, some shelving, and some cabinets. And now we're in the process of assembling all this stuff. But we were debating if the shelves had, let me rewind. I couldn't remember if I had, when we put shelves downstairs, if these had hardware in them, these lack shelves. Well, they don't. So we are now making our second trip to Home Depot, and usually a project isn't complete until you make 3 trips to Home Depot. So that's where we're off to right now, is to get a bunch of anchor bolts so I can actually put crap on the walls. So there you have it. Later.